Good morning, fourth graders. This is your assignment for September 29th, the Quizlet vocab flashcards. So the title is Mr. C's Reading Star vocab flashcards on Quizlet. Now, by clicking this link below, you're going to access the flashcards. Quizlet is a website that I'm able to create flashcards that are digital for you guys to study in a fun and interactive way. So you're going to click the link. Once again, we were here. Now I know that this view might be a little bit different than yours, but it still has the student instructions. So it says, study the 31 flashcards for 30 minutes today. So every day I'm going to post this as a work in the reading classroom, and you're going to study for 30 minutes every single day. These words are important for you to learn, and once you click on the link, it takes you to the Quizlet page. Now, in order to see these cards, these flashcards, you have to click login, and you're going to use your Clever username and Clever password, which is basically your school Google account. So that's why I want you to click login with Google. Now, since you've already logged into Clever, your name should appear here, and you should have your name where it says choose an account. So once again, your Google account is your Clever username and password. So you would click your name. Your password is 1 through 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to click the next button. But for you, because you haven't used the Quizlet website before, you're going to have 2 more steps. You're going to type in your birthday and create a username. Then you click sign up. Then it takes you to the Quizlet page, like this. So now that we're here, we have 31 vocab words, 31 vocab terms with definitions. You click on flashcards. And then since you're studying for 30 minutes, I would pull up an online timer, another tab, and click start. And then it'll go off after the 30 minutes are over. In these 30 minutes, you're going to be using the audio support if you want.
Stanza.
To have Quizlet, the robot voice, read the vocab term. Then you click on the flashcard, and it has the definition.
A group of lines in a poem.
So I would read it, then go to the next one. Sensory language. I would click on it.
Writing or speech that talks to one or more of the senses.
Then I would go to the next flashcard.
Similar.
I would click on it, so it flips.
Almost the same.
Then I click on the arrow. So once again, it starts with the term, and then you have to click on it so the flashcard flips, and you get the definition. And then you have your progress. So far, I've gone over 13 out of the 31. So you're going to do this until you complete all 31. Then you're going to hit the back button. Then you're going to work on the matching game. Matching game is fun. You get to compete with yourself, and you have your time right here. And you have to match up the vocab term with the definition. And then you complete this. So it says, study the flashcards first. Check, we did that. Now you either get to work on matching game or the gravity game. This is the gravity game. Get started. You select the difficulty level. I would always answer with the term, because if you answer with definition, you would have to type in the long definition. So always answer with the term, and let's go. Start game. So either pick the gravity game or the matching game, or both, to get extra practice, because you still have 30 minutes. So you would have to type in the vocab word like this, and I got it correct, so I got a score. So let's say that I didn't type in the vocab term. I want you to see what that looks like. So if I don't type it in time, as the asteroid's falling down, this is what happens. It tells me the correct answer, and then I have to type it in because it's helping me to study. That one was evidence. And then you keep going. Then, since you're still studying for 30 minutes, you can also work on the practice test. Notice how on Seesaw in the instructions it says it's not a real test grade. It's just optional. It's still part of your study session. So once again, you can work on any of these activities during your study session for 30 minutes. I would work on any of these except for the live because it's not going to work well since you're at home. This works in the classroom. So study for 30 minutes. Then when you're done, you're going to add a response by clicking the Add Response green button. Notice how I'm selecting a sample student, but this would be your account. And you're going to select Note, and you're going to type in, Mr. C, I have studied my vocab words for 30 minutes today. And then I would write the date here, 9/29/20. And then you click the green check mark, and you hit the green check mark once again. You click it twice. Then I get this notification, and I can go check. So once again, that was your Quizlet work. I hope that you enjoy and you have fun studying these 31 vocab words. And you're going to be doing this daily. And I hope this video was helpful.